All right. As requested, we are here. Steve Wallis, Stealth Camper. If you're here with me in the chat, please make yourself known. Beach Shelter was 2 weeks ago. Double RV camping 9 days ago. Ferry Terminal Stealth Camping, otherwise known as trespassing. Festive Treehouse Camping, Winter Camping, Power Plant, U.S. Border, Excessive Tarp Camping. Four-person stealth camping. I'm not going to make those jokes. Freeway stealth camping. Small town stealth camping. I wonder what this guy thinks of what a small town is to this guy. Beach camping. Urban Island stealth camping. Roadside canopy. Fake construction. We didn't look at that. Fake construction site. Oh, this has to be it. This is horrible. We did impersonating as a construction worker, but we did not do him setting up an entire construction site. Let's see if there's anything that jumps out at me, but I think I'm going to go with that. Fire ban camping? You better not start a fire, asshole. Conservation area stealth camping. Storm drain stealth camping? Tailgate. Stealth camping behind a sign. I've seen that, I guess. Some of these I think they just played and I wasn't here. Cemetery, I remember that one. I did watch that one. Police station was also ridiculous. Gazebo. We're going to go with the fake construction site because that's got to be the... I mean, come on, folks. There we go. All right.
Watch cable-free live TV with sports.
I think I have to turn him up.
YouTube
so
TV.
hold on.
Apply, cancel anytime.
Let me know how the volume...
Hey guys, welcome to Camping with Steve.
Wait a minute, you have a friend? This is not good. I don't like it already. There's someone else.
Today I'm here with Crazy Neighbor, and in a past video I disguised myself as a construction worker to sneak behind a construction site and camp. Today we're taking it a little further. We're going to build an entire fake construction site. We're here in a government park. There is a little work they're doing already. There's been crews coming back and forth all afternoon. They seem to be...
He's trying to establish like the factor that this is dangerous and risky. You know, crews have been coming back and forth, which I think is either a lie or it's true. And they've talked to these crews and let them know about the ruse so they don't stop them and go, hey, what the fuck are you guys doing? You know what I mean? So, again, I don't want to pull back the curtain on the magician here, but, you know, this dude needs to work on his fucking act.
Done for the night, so we're going to set up It looks like the gas lines have been staked out here, and we got some scaffolding to set up, and a whole bunch of other little tricks to make us look as unsuspicious as possible.
Like we belong.
Like we belong. So let's get the show on the road.
First of all, he said they were done for the day, so I'm going to assume this is the sun is going down, not coming up. Setting up just before dark is quite suspicious. Nobody sets up before dark, they break down before dark. So, okay, but I didn't he just say they're done for the day? The fuck, dude? I want to make sure he said that.
There is a little work they're doing already. There's been crews coming back and forth all afternoon. They seem to be done for the night, so we're going to set up.
They seem to be done for the night, so we're going to set up. And that's not suspicious. Yeah, maybe not in Canada, where no one asks any fucking questions, obviously, which is how you get to have this worldview, this precious, precious worldview that you have, sir. The real land of the free, Canada, where people just go, didn't see nothing. The fuck, man.
It looks like the gas lines have been staked out here, and we got some scaffolding to set up, and a whole bunch of other little tricks to make us look as unsuspicious as possible.
Like we belong.
Like we belong. So let's get the show on the road.
Like, if the DNR guy comes by, what are they going to say? What are they actually going to say? Well, sir, we're making a video, you see, where we fake a construction site. Excuse me? Like... You can watch the VOD. They weren't joking when they said scaffolding. Like there's a building being built. Where are you going? There is nowhere to go! It's getting dark! Going up! Fuck it! Maybe they're gonna sleep up there. Again, don't dox yourself, Steve. How many times are you gonna show your license plate? Every video, every single video I've ever seen. This dude, let's see it. Hold on. There we go. Alright, it's not like... Alright. I mean, it's not completely... Okay. But still, you're an idiot. The fuck? Scaffolding goes next to buildings! What the fuck? Where are you going?
That's sturdy. With the planks in there, we've got a bottom bunk.
I stopped streaming?
And kind of an entranceway thing. I guess we'll mess around with it and see what we can do. But
I'm streaming.
Tarp time.
It doesn't say that I've stopped streaming.
Zip ties and tarps. And it shouldn't look out of place. People will assume we're thawing the ground for something or doing some utility work that needs to be enclosed, and that will keep prying eyes away from our step twos.
That's right. Hey, past that.
So, taking the roof down a little bit makes it look more like scaffolding because there's some sticking up. Makes it look like we're a couple of scaffolders on our first day on the job, but that's okay. We're gonna leave this section out here kind of just in plain sight, and that really will make it look like there's more scaffolding to go up, and it really ties the site together, I think. What do you think? Crazy neighbor?
It's coming.
Yeah. Crazy neighbor's warming up his toes in the Suburban, and just to make things extra realistic, I brought a Bluetooth speaker, and I found, what is this, 10 hours of construction sounds. So, let's stick this in there.
I can't make jokes right now. I can't even make jokes. Oh, oh my god, no, I can't. This is, no. I can't even look at that. I can't look. Oh my fucking. Oh, Steve. Oh, Steve. 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 I've lost any baritone in my voice, Steve. Steve! Steve! What happened? You fucking, what did you need to see? Here.
Think, crazy neighbor?
It's coming.
Yeah.
You see what happened after he puts out the caution tape. After he puts out the caution tape, which I thought was a little bit over the top. That's nothing compared to what he does after. Okay? Calm down. We're faking a construction site. But watch how much he's thought of. He's thought of a lot. He did a lot of premeditation here. Turn it up.
Crazy neighbor's warming up his toes in the Suburban, and just to make things extra realistic, I brought a Bluetooth speaker, and I found, what is this, 10 hours of construction sounds. So, let's stick this in there. Perfect. Don't suspect a thing.
Do it, Soup. Do it. I can't even make jokes. I'm fucking speechless. I really can't. I don't know what to say right now. This makes grating the fresh Parmesan look like standard operating procedure, okay? I always refer back to that point because that's really where me and Steve met, you know? Where I really got to know the man. When he was not satisfied with spaghetti in the woods. No. He goes the extra mile. He brought the block of parm. He brought the cheese grater. He's getting down. And here, he brought the sounds of Times Square to the middle of Canada. I wonder if there's any like taxi horns in the background of that soundtrack. I want to hear. I want to listen a little more carefully. Hold on.
I brought a Bluetooth speaker, and I found what is this? 10 hours of construction sounds. So let's stick this in there. Perfect. Don't suspect a thing.
Where's the material? Where is all the material?
Honestly, the crew is working away in there, and between us in the distance there, you can see the light tower of the actual construction site for a pipeline. And that just blends in beautifully around here. Time for us to crawl into here, get things set up. What are you doing up there?
Just putting a zip tie in here to keep some heat in.
Buddy heater's going and it's pretty warm in here. I got the construction noise kind of facing outwards so we don't have to listen to it too much. Got a new filter on the buddy heater because the last one, when the heater messed up, I decided, no, new heater, new filter. And I don't know what gunks them up. I've heard oils and stuff and contaminants in the hoses when you hook them up to a big cylinder. I suspect it could be iffy propane as well, because I worked in oil sites working on furnaces where the propane was so gross that it would plug up any orifice in anything. But anyway, bottom bunk there.
Oh,
Standard
excuse me,
Twitch
Hey,
joke.
crazy neighbor.
just tying up the top of the ceiling. I think we're all good.
Good, good. And we got top bunk. Top bunk up here. What do you want, top or bottom?
I'll take the top. That way if I fall down, you can cushion my blow.
Alright, well, you heard it there. It's probably going to be warmer up here too. On the bottom I can feel the air kind of gumming through along the ground. And that's okay. I'm a little more acclimatized to outside stealth camping than crazy neighbor. What do you say?
I would say so, yeah. I'm a bit of a wimp when it comes to the cold. I have to have my long underwear and my big winter boots and my gloves. Yeah.
How about a hat that covers
that's
your
all right.
ears?
I'm
How
a
about
wimp
that,
too,
sir? You're not on the
because,
fucking
I'm a buddy
range.
heater.
There's no tumbleweeds. How about put on a fucking hat? Aren't you in Canada? I don't understand. Fucking straw hat.
With 3 cleaning boosters not found in traditional dish soaps that help break down, loosen, and lift away food.
Don't tell me how to wash my dishes. Okay, I put them in the dishwasher. Fuck. Whoa. ELO. Yeah, you're definitely eating gummies.
Foamies here for the bottom bunk and the top bunk. So, oh, thanks, crazy neighbor. All right. So, yeah, there we go. Get this one up top. Okay, thank you. We'll stuff this one in there. Right on. Okay, so. Oh, insulating pad. I guess we'll put that down on the floor. We don't want to melt Too much snow here. Okay. Right on.
One more inch maybe.
Another inch. Good.
There we go.
Slow this up.
That's it, coming in.
All right.
Oh, how we doing in here?
Doing pretty good.
Good. Okay, you get this out of my head. There we go. Yeah,
Awesome.
this is nice and cozy.
Shelter looks like a shelter, and that's step one. And step two is beer.
Thank you,
So-
Steve.
You're welcome. Thank you for all the help.
Step two.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I got no vehicle right now, so the reason this is possible is Crazy Neighbor was willing to drive around, rent some scaffolding, throw it into his
I have
Suburban,
heard, yes.
drive out here and camp with me for the night. So
Well, in actual fact, we needed the scaffolding for the work on this house anyway. So we figured, hey, if we have it, we might as well use it.
two birds, single stone. We have got an awesome bunk system going here in the scaffolding. There's the top bunk. You claimed that one?
I claimed the top one, yep.
All right.
It's warmer up there.
We've already gone through this.
I'm here down on the bottom,
Redundant.
which is okay. The buddy heater is doing its thing that it likes to do. We got this bar across the top of the roof in here, and that'll keep things tight. There's a ton of zip ties, and Crazy Neighbor's been putting them in all over the place.
Yeah. And we've had about a 50% failure rate on these cheap zip ties. So if you're gonna buy zip ties, don't buy the cheap ones. They don't work in the cold. We pull them tight and they go snap and they break. So it's the last time we're gonna buy cheap zip ties.
They can be a cause for concern. So I'm gonna throw another sleeping bag into this. Actually, this looks comfortable enough for me. I'm not too worried. And I guess we're gonna cook some food, because you getting hungry?
Oh yeah, I'm getting hungry. Yeah.
Just about
But
that
it's nice
time.
and toasty warm in here.
Yeah.
Can't
no,
see our breath.
no, there's
That's all good.
no worries here. The buddy heater clipping away.
Just a light breeze outside.
Doesn't get any better than this.
It's windy. I'm gonna go check
Yeah, wind
Before
could be a
cooking
problem.
equals more zip ties. The wind is blowing out the buddy heater, and that's a cause for concern.
Ah! They're sleeping in the truck! Ah!
All the stuff blew down.
Yeah! Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Wind is a thing. Wind is real, folks. Finally took down the tape. So not practical. It's not a crime scene, so... I mean, well, I guess it is.
Why is there wind everywhere I go?
It's gonna be like Wizard of Oz. They're gonna take off. Oh my god! What is wrong with you?
We have to cook inside this structure. The wind has been way too bad, so we cannot do it outside like we'd planned. However, that's okay. There's a lot of ventilation, given the horrible windstorm going on outside. But we just got to make a couple of bergs here, and we've sacrificed a bed here for the moment, and It's gonna be Berg City. And these things are gonna bite back. They're gonna be spicy.
Berg City? Who says Berg? I don't say Berg. Weirdo. Paper plates, you motherfucker! You can't have a fucking camping plate, you
Most dangerous
motherfucker!
thing
Single
possible.
use
Don't do this
motherfucker!
at home.
Stupid motherfucker!
Crazy neighbor.
Never been
How many
camping
birds
before.
would you
Can't
like?
have a plate that you could bring home and wash off. Moron.
2 Bergs. Coming right up.
I hope you take off. Paper plate.
I'll do a couple myself. Oh, they're big. Did I mention?
Yeah, those are really big. That's okay.
Get cable-free live TV made easy without the cords or hassle. YouTube TV. Terms apply. Cancel anytime.
Paper
I've been
plates
getting paid
camping is
$1,000.
fucking like, you're stupid. Single-use shit is stupid. Wash your fucking plate.
That's okay. We got the birds here. And what we're gonna do is
Make a plate so you can use it one time.
Monterey
Fucking
Jack
stupid.
jalapeno. We got jalapeno
If you have a brain,
particles
you,
stuck
you,
in there.
you know it's stupid.
Dijon
You guys don't hear
mustard,
me use those words a lot.
red onion, and of course,
You know what I mean?
horseradish.
That's fucking stupid.
Thanks.
One time.
That should make things
Use a plate
highly
one
delicious. And I don't want to put that back too far because it'll start burning the tarp.
Pre-sliced cheese.
Chuck
Tell me you
these
brought
on.
that bullshit.
And we're gonna cheese these Bergs.
Tell me they're in slices. They are. Oh my god. You have a knife. You pay You pay more to get the cheese that's pre-sliced, by the way. But this guy's.
Bergs.
His viewers are
Get
paying
that
for that
gooey,
pre-sliced
gooey.
cheese and paper plates. He don't give a fuck.
Yes. Fresh baked buns? No, my friend, not today. What we've got is factory buns. The more they look like a fast food restaurant, the more they taste like it. But let's get a bird going here. So
You could toast the bun.
start off with patty.
It doesn't have to be
Yes.
chewy and soft and nasty.
Yes.
But okay,
I double
that's fine.
cheesed them too.
Don't need to do that. No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
If I had more room, I
Yummy!
would have toasted the buns. But room's like thingy. So, of course, some red onion.
Okay, that proves. That's
That
not,
smells fantastic.
Not horrible.
And you can't go wrong with some Dijon.
Onion and mustard. What is this, a hot dog? Wait, what? You have ketchup available? Mustard and onion? On a burger.
And top it off.
Horseradish? What are you topping?
Some horseradish. Plop. Plop. And that.
Okay, first it was a hot dog, now it's like...
You like a spicy burg?
Now
I
it's,
sure do.
hot roast. What do you get with horseradish?
We have a treat for you.
Roast
Okay,
beef.
so the bird. Would you like this, crazy neighbor?
Thank you,
Sure
Devin.
did.
All right.
Thank you
While
so
camping
much,
is
Steve.
just crazy. What? Like, you don't want garbage. When you're camping, you want the least amount of garbage as possible, right? Like a duh. Like, duh. Every time this guy goes, he has paper plates, too. Every time. So far that I've watched. Every time.
Awesome.
Those aren't... I
yeah.
don't know. Can I see the inside of that, sir? Is that cooked all
It's really
the way?
horseradishy.
Yeah, because you put horseradish
spicy.
on it.
Could be spicier next time.
Of course it could be spicier.
But
It could be on fire.
we do have to give a huge shout out, of course, to all the folks that have donated to the Beard Donation Fund.
And the paper
And
plate
we're
fund.
sticking with it for now.
And the pre-sliced
Still
cheese
under
fund.
evaluation, but It is part
One
of the
time I
channel.
watched he had
love to give the birthday shout-outs,
diced
and
onions.
I know there's
He
some
bought onions that
were
were
expected
diced up
last
already in the
Thursday, so
store.
extra birthday shout-outs to
'Cause,
those
you know,
folks. Outlandishly juicy.
Cutting them.
Thank you all for being such kind supporters of the channel. And
Yeah.
as soon as the car comes in, it should be tomorrow, the next day.
Car?
There's some more interesting things on the go.
Car?
I've been stockpiling kind of ideas for when I have a functioning vehicle that I can get around in. And
How do you not have a
rented
car, dude? What
vehicles
happened?
to go out and try and film things over the last year, but
I think he got caught drunk driving and he's waiting for his shit to, you know, be okay to drive, and but he doesn't want to say that. But anyway,
it just didn't seem.
that's been
sensible
my
anymore.
theory from the beginning.
Anyway,
Because I know people
Cheers,
that's
everybody.
happened to.
Okay, we got to load some stuff out of there into there so we have room to sleep. Okay.
an eventful day. All fed. Ready
We
to
can
go to
see your
bed.
breath now.
Here's my downstairs here. Should be good. How are things on the upstairs bunk?
Hey, Steve.
Hey, crazy neighbor,
Oh,
you warm?
I can see my breath.
Yeah, I can see mine too. That's all right. Once I'm in the sleeping bag, it should be a-okay. So, yeah, we'll just get ready for bed here. Switch off the light. Crawl into the sleeping bag. Oh, yes, this is good. This is very good. All right. So we'll see you guys in the morning, and yeah, we will. Guess we'll get the sound effects on for the night. Night, crazy neighbor. Good morning. What a highly acceptable sleep that was. Nice and toasty warm in here. Mattress was a little bit firm for me because I have bad hips, so I'm tossing and turning all night. But that's kind of normal for camping mattresses unless I have a really thick air mattress. And that's kind of what I suspect wrecked my hip in the first place, was when I had one that deflated in the middle of the night. Anyway, there was a Government of Alberta truck driving past, and they just drove right on past. So
Because you talked to them beforehand. We know this. You're a fucking local legend. Okay? I bet you there are towns and municipalities sending you emails and letters saying, Steve, please come stealth camp here. We would like the tourism that comes when you name our place. Please.
so far so good. Now that road doesn't exit on the other side, so I'm guessing they're going to be looping back at some point, and hopefully they don't pay us a visit on the way out. But we're going to slowly start packing this stuff up and then get out of here. What a nice morning. Sunny and feels kind of warm. Now it's of course the simple matter of rip it all down and stuff it in the Suburban. So,
Better not
gonna
leave
start
a
with
zip
the stuff
tie on the
inside
fucking
first
ground.
and leave all the rest of this construction-y looking stuff on the outside, because as soon as we rip down these tarps, people are going to see the camping setup, so we don't want that exposed quite yet. Of course, the way we have to load this is the scaffolding on the bottom. So all the rest of the stuff is just piled outside, and we'll get this in there. Now does that old nursery rhyme go, when you're camping, don't forget your scaffolding guardrails, something like that. That Alberta government truck drove past again. Didn't even slow down. This is awesome. Right. Just like that. Awesome.
Thank you for that. Thank you. Oh my god. I've never been so happy to see a time lapse.
Just like that, all packed up and ready to go.
Thank you. Thank you, Steve.
That's all you need to do to go camping.
What's
Thanks
the
for
fucking
watching,
house?
guys.
What is the
Please
house that's
subscribe
right
if you're
there? What the building? There's a building.
Interested in this type of thing? We got a few other deliciously stealthy ideas coming up. So stay tuned for those, and thank you guys so much for watching. Cheers, everyone.
Like, I'm starting to feel so much sympathy for this guy, it's hard to make fun of him, is what it is. You know? Like, I'm finding myself being torn inside. It's like making fun of a car accident on the highway. It's like, I can't do this. I'm not sure I can do this anymore. Like, it's one thing to stop and stare. It's another thing to make jokes. You know? I think we're going to have to stick to Moist Critical because I don't feel bad making fun of that dude. You know, that guy thinks he's smart. Steve, you know, Steve thinks a lot of things, but I don't think Steve thinks he's smart. You know? I think if we gave Steve some truth serum, he would cop to not being the sharpest tool in the drawer. But the funniest part was when the wind started to pick up and they're sitting inside a sail, basically. I was like, wow, this is really going to get interesting now. Ah. Oh, man. But yeah, I don't know, man. I'm starting to feel very bad. I don't know if I could do this many more times with Steve. I don't know what to tell you guys. Lurking. I'm about to go. I'm going to go play with my cat. It's been a pleasure, though. Thank you, guys. And I look forward to the VOD.